Hey guys, welcome back to the studios. This is another video, and today again going to be doing the CONNEX set, and this specifically is the alarm robo set. It's DIY obviously, and we're going to be making an alarm, basically a clock which can hold a pen as it says on the front picture. So let's get into it. So as usual, we have the cardboard box which has all the electronics, and the eco-friendly box which has the solid pieces. So let's tear this open and see what it has. So put this in there and keep that aside. And inside we have red pieces for the alarm bear. Or around Robo Man, like I don't know why I called it a bear. It looked like one. Some more electronic wires and the instruction manual, of course. And inside the cardboard box we have the battery case and the switch. So let's close this. So let's get started. We'll start with the instruction manual. Okay, steps are here. So first, take the front piece. So I have placed the face of the clock inside the body of the robo. I'll make sure it's tight and fit. Yeah. So next we have to connect the arm pieces and the leg pieces. So I guess this is on the arms in here. Make sure it's tight and fit. Let me take this. Here. Make sure that's tight and fit as well. And then we place in the back cover, which is this, on the back piece. So I'm gonna place this piece on the back side of the robot. Yes. And now I need to join them together with these pegs over here. So I'll place one peg here. Place one peg here. I'm gonna take this back cover piece and I'm gonna place it in between these holes so that it can, stop it from falling off. Then I am going to connect these two, but before, hopefully it should connect. So have to align the holes correctly. So I just put everything together and added the legs here. The clock face is little distorted, but I think that's fine. Now let's just put this over here. We're going to place this leg holes over here. Please behave. So I've placed the legs here. Now and the next step is to take this thing and wait, it's like this, right? Yeah, it's like this. Place it over here and place this piece on this. So it goes through the hole. I can place it here just for fun, like just to show. Now 9. So we take this, the battery case. First untangle the wires. So it's been untangled and I am going to place it here on the edge. I'm going to place the battery in here and then the switch is going to go. Where are you going to go? The switch is going to be here. Yeah. Let's take this. Then the 4 springs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I need to keep this over here. One spring. And I need to keep the three other springs just behind this over here. I'll remove this so you can see what I'm doing. So I've placed the springs here. It shows me where to connect these things, so let's get doing that, I guess. So I'm gonna take this red wire of the switch and place it in the middle spring. Yeah, good. And then I'm going to take the other red wire of the switch and place it in the left one. And I'm going to take the red piece of the battery and place it in the left one. And I'm going to take the black piece of the battery and place it on the right one. Yeah. So then these wires, the 2 green wires have to go into this spring which I placed over here, and the blue and black wire have to go in the right one. So I'm gonna take the blue and the black. Okay, the blue is connected now. Take the final red wire and place it in the left one. So, and now it's switched on, which means it's working. I'll place this over here just for show. Oh, I get it now. I have to take the small wire and place it in the wire of the switch, not the wire of the battery. So now if I switch it on, it turns on. And if I pull the switch, it turns off. Okay, it works now. It actually fully works now. So this was overall a pretty simple circuit except for the wire part, and I had fun doing it. I guess some places were not as easy as I expected because the quality of these pieces are not that good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Studios. Stay tuned for more. Hit that notification bell, comment, like, subscribe. Do all the nice stuff. Thank you. Bye.